సైబరాబాద్ సిపి మహేష్ భగవత్ మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ఇప్పుడు లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
Input or good support, the similar support now related to cybercrime, related to women and children, in future we will get from Women Safety Wing because of this formation of this new cybercrime wing within this Women Safety Wing. Coming to the anti-human trafficking unit, now the latest is not nowadays the brothel-based prostitution. It's mostly now we can see the online kind of thing where the websites are there, this commercial, the classifieds like the Locanto website, then initial interface will be maybe through the social media, maybe Facebook, maybe Twitter, and then coming to the WhatsApp. And through WhatsApp, then the further communication and all is happening. So in these cases, getting the timely input is important, timely conducting raid is important, and then again the connecting accused to the crime through electronic evidence collection, that is also very much important. And for that, this Women Safety Wing, cyber wing especially, will be of a great help, that I presume. The NRI cell is really doing a wonderful job, both Swati ma'am and Sumati. I can see our cases in our my Rajkonda commissariat is full with the NRI cases, and many cases we get very good support, and we see that at the time of people are not knowing that giving dowry is also a crime. When the police station we see the cases are reported, the parents of the girl, they are coming with the photograph that I have given so much of money karke. That itself is a crime. They are not realizing that giving dowry is also offense. It's a 1961 act, but still all the social evil social practices are still going on in our society, and it's difficult actually to change it. But people mostly try to use the law according to their convenience. That is our experience. So many times they keep arguing with us, they keep fighting with us, they will do the section hunting also, they will come with some judgments and all, and they want that case to be charge sheeted in particular section. It's a lot of this much of time may not be available with our police station inspector or with our officers. So this technical, this specialist job from the Women Safety Wing and all the NGO partner, I can see very good NGO, well-known NGOs are here. Taruni is there, Bachpan Bachao, then UNICEF, David Oldhand, My Choice is there, Vivian Joseph, Save the Children, Lead Life, Manoj Jagruti, Youngistan, Arun, then Youth for Seva, then technical partners, Prasad is there, Innorit Solution, Architect of Cyber Lab, Zoom Technology, CR, CIDF, Undapix. So many partners are here, and definitely together this partnership of the civil society with the police, it will go a long way, and our only interest will be the zero tolerance against the crime against women and children. And let us fight all together for that. At the end, I have a poem, I do not know who has written, but it's for the women. अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे, भले कोई मंच ना दे दे हमको, हम मंच अपना बना लेंगे। जो कहते खुद को सितारा है, जगमगा कर उनके सामने ही चमक कर देंगे उनकी फिकी, और सूरज खुद को बना लेंगे। ऑल द बेस्ट, Women Safety Wing. Thank you.